Hello, my name is Mike. I'm the owner of BestRugPrices.com, and today I'm doing a video on how to clean Smartstrand carpet. But before I get into this topic, I wanted to mention to you that what you're looking at on the screen is the front page of our floor and decor blog. And as you can probably guess by the title of our blog, we write about floor covering. And in our most recent blog article, we talk specifically about Smartstrand carpet. We have a cleaning guide, and we talk about the Smartstrand carpet warranty. Now, a lot of the stores across the country will be happy to sell you Smartstrand carpet, but they fail to mention some of the things that you need to do as the purchaser to maintain your warranty. For example, when you buy Smartstrand carpet, they're not going to tell you a lot of times that you've got to buy a specific vacuum cleaner for your carpet or you'll void out your warranty. So I highly recommend that you take a couple minutes before you make a Smartstrand carpet purchase and check out our article and read more about the type of carpet that you're looking to buy. I'm going to put the link to our article in the description box below this video. It's completely free, and I highly recommend that you check it out. So anyway, there's that. I'm going to switch over to the Mohawk website. Mohawk is one of the leading manufacturers of floor covering in the country, and they are the company that makes Smartstrand carpet. So with Smartstrand, what you're looking at is a page on their website. And if you go to the Smartstrand page, you'll see that they list it out by category, but they also have specific resources for cleaning brochure and pet warranty and just a wealth of information. So I'm not really going to open these up and dive into all the specific information. I guess my point of coming to this page is to let you know that like any product you buy, you have marketing brochures and whatnot for products, but then when you get into the actual warranty itself, you really need to read the fine print. So it's very, very important, especially with Smartstrand carpet, because there's some items that you need to know about before you make a purchase. So what I would recommend that you do is go to the link in the description box below this video and go to our website at bestrugprices.com and check out our most recent blog article on Smartstrand carpet, and we'll give you all the information. Thank you.